Once upon a time, there was a small village near the sea. In this village, there lived two brothers. The elder brother was very rich, and the younger brother was very poor. The elder brother had a big house, many rooms, fine clothes, and a lot of food every day. He spent a lot of money on festivals, parties, and good things. People in the village respected him because he was rich. The younger brother lived in a small old house with his wife and children. He had no money, no food, and no good clothes. Many days his children went to bed hungry. His wife was very sad and he was very worried. He worked very hard every day, but he still could not earn enough money. Sometimes he had no rice to cook, no vegetables, and no bread. One day his children cried and said they were very hungry. The younger brother felt very sad and helpless. He decided to go to his elder brother and ask for help. He walked to his brother's big house and said, "Brother, my children are very hungry. Please give me some money. I will buy food for them. I will return the money when I can." The elder brother became angry. He said, "You always come to me and ask for money. I have nothing to give you. Go away. Do not come here again." His words were very hard and unkind. The younger brother felt hurt and sad. He did not say anything. He turned around and walked away slowly. On his way home, he felt tired, hungry, and hopeless. He did not know what to do. On the road, he met an old man. The old man was walking slowly and carrying a very heavy bundle of wood on his back. The younger brother saw that the old man was weak and tired. He felt sorry for him. He said, "Grandfather, that looks very heavy. Please let me help you." The old man smiled and said, "Thank you, child." The younger brother took the bundle of wood and carried it for the old man. As they walked, the old man looked at him and asked, "Why do you look so sad?" The younger brother told him everything about his poor life, his hungry children, and how his elder brother refused to help him. The old man listened quietly. Then he said, "Do not worry. I can help you. If you help me take this wood to my house, I will give you something that can make you rich." The younger brother was surprised but happy. He said, "I will help you." He followed the old man to a small house. When they arrived, the old man thanked him and said, "You are kind. Please take this sweet bread." He gave the younger brother a sweet bread and said, "Go into the jungle. Walk straight. You will see 3 plum trees in a line. Behind the trees, there is a small hill. Near the hill, you will find a small hut. Go inside. 3 little midgets live there. They love sweetbread very much. They will want to buy it from you. Do not ask for money. Ask them for a stone grinder. It is very special. The younger brother thanked the old man and followed his words. He walked into the jungle. He walked for a long time and finally saw 3 plum trees standing in a line. Behind them, he saw a small hut. He went inside. Suddenly, 3 midgets shouted, "Who are you? Why are you here? Are you a thief?" The younger brother was scared and said, "No, I am not a thief." Then the midgets saw the sweet bread in his hands. They stopped shouting. They smiled and said, "Oh, sweetbread, we love sweetbread. Please give it to us. We will give you anything you want." The younger brother said, "I will give you the sweet bread, but please give me the stone grinder." The midgets agreed. They gave him a small stone grinder and said, "This is not a normal grinder. When you turn it, it will give you anything you ask for. When you want it to stop, cover it with a red cloth." The younger brother thanked them and went home. When he reached home, he saw his wife and children lying on the floor, very weak and hungry. He quickly asked his wife to spread a cloth on the ground. He put the grinder on it and said, "Grinder, grinder, give me curry." The grinder started to work and made hot curry. He covered it with a red cloth, and it stopped. Then he said, "Grinder, give me rice." Soon there was a lot of rice. The whole family ate happily. Every day the grinder gave them food like rice, flour, lentils, and vegetables. The younger brother sold extra food in the market and earned money. Slowly, he became rich. He built a big house, bought good clothes, and lived happily. But the elder brother became jealous. He secretly watched and found the grinder. One night he stole it and ran away by boat on the sea. He said, "Grinder, grinder, give me salt." The grinder made salt and did not stop because he did not know the secret. The boat became heavy and sank. The sea became salty. This story teaches us not to be jealous and not to be greedy.